Okay, so I just want to start introduction about myself first, and my name is Ram Boyapati. I have nearly 13 plus years of IT experience, especially on this SQL Server, MSBI, Power BI, and Microsoft Fabric and Azure Data Engineering. So these are the technologies what I've been working from last 13 to 14 years of experience, and I have nearly 7 to 8 years of IT trainings and placement experience. I have 7 to 8 years of the IT trainings and placement experience I have. I started this e-classes training institute in 2016, and we are offering training and placement in Amirpet, Hyderabad location. So if you are going to see my e-classes website, this is our website, and also if you can able to see that our office infrastructure as well, you can reach out in Hyderabad location. So this is our e-classes office infrastructure also. Okay, these are all the e-classes office infrastructure we are going to taking care of it. So from the e-classes, for every student can able to get free mobile app. We are offering a free mobile app, and we are offering a free login for the LMS portal as well. What is LMS portal? It's a learning management system portal. So you can see here we are offering a lot of courses inside this LMS portal login, and some free courses also we are offering over here. So you guys can able to log in inside this LMS portal, or you can able to download our eClasses mobile app as well, completely free of cost. And also you can able to chat with our trainers and mentors as well, free of counseling also we are going to offer it over here. Okay, so there are so many courses which are useful for you as well, we are offering inside this LMS portal. Even when you are going to join this course also, inside this LMS portal only, we are going to conduct daily live classes, and also daily class recording videos. Once your class completed, then automatically the videos are going to be uploaded inside this over here. So this is how the daily class recording video will be saved inside this LMS portal itself. This is how the class recording videos will be saved it over here. So this you will have up to 3 years of license you have. Uh, so you can able to get it daily recording videos, and you can able to get it daily class notes as well. And we are offering some free test cases, and free courses also we are offering inside. Some sample resumes we are providing, certification guidance. You can able to chat with our trainer as well, free of cost. And also you can able to you can able to create a chat groups as well to communicate with other people as well. So these are all the things we are offering free of cost for the students by logging to the LMS portal, or by installing our mobile app as well. So to log into our LMS portal, simply you can go to our website. This is our website. Inside this website, you can able to see there is a LMS login option is there here. So once you are clicking on this LMS login, it will ask the organization code. So you can provide organization code as a SCFKN, and then give your mobile number to register, or you can use the email as well. If you are from out of India, use email. If you are from India, use the mobile. If you want to download our mobile app, then you can go to App Store or Play Store. E-classes. Simply, you can able to download the e-classes e-classes mobile app. See here, this is our e-classes mobile app as well. E-classes. Okay, so you can able to download in your mobile as well. So this is how we are offering for every student to maintain a professionality in the everything in our LMS portal in one place, instead of sharing in a Google Drive or a class notes in a notepad, something like that. The main advantage with us is, if you see any other institutions, let's take a XYZ institute, daily they will take 1 hour session, right? But there the management is different, trainer is different, but you should not have a communication with the trainer after the class completion. But here you can able to chat with the trainer anytime when you are practicing, if you have any doubts and clarifications as well. So this is how we are going to maintaining of the e- all the things in single place, more communication with the students as well. Okay, now coming to the point, today we are going to discussing about Azure Data Engineering course. So as per my 8 years of experience, what kind of people, what is the eligibility to learn this Azure Data Engineering course is mostly the people who are coming from a graduation or a post graduation background. So the people having completed the graduation or any post graduation, if they completed, then they are eligible to learn this Azure Data Engineering course. Okay, when they are eligible to learn this course, let's take what kind of people they are going to learn this course. The first category people is, let's take one example. If you are completed your graduation in between 2010 to 2023, passed out, and immediately you got a IT job, that means you are currently working in the IT. So let's, for example, you have almost 9 years of experience in Java, but now you want to learn Azure Data Engineering course. You want to upskill your knowledge, and after you are completing this Azure Data Engineering course, whatever the 9 years of experience you have, that you are going to divide into Java experience plus Azure Data Engineering experience. Because the people who are already working in IT, when they want to switch their career to Azure Data Engineering, they are going to mention in their resume at least 2 to 5 years of experience. That means the people after completion of this Azure Data Engineering course, they are going to apply for the jobs like a 2 to 5 years of experience jobs. Am I right? 2 to 5 years of experience jobs they are going to apply it over here. Then after the second category, these people also passed out in between 2010 to 23, but they were working for non-IT. That means at the time of completing of their course, they were getting non-IT jobs, recruiter, HR, civil, mechanical, Google Maps, account, any non-IT job they are working. But now they realized they don't want to continue these non-IT jobs because of the less salaries. Now they want to learn Azure Data Engineering course, which have more demand in the market. And then after completion of this Azure Data Engineering course, they are going to apply for a 2 to 5 years of experience. They are going to mention in their work experience, and they are going to attending the interviews. This is second category. So the first category is IT. They are in already IT, but they want to switch to Azure Data Engineering technology. Second category, they are in non-IT, they want to switch to IT by learning the Azure Data Engineering course. The third category is they don't have any experience. After their education completion, they have some career gap. That means, let's take, they have 9 years of career gap, but now they want to learn Azure Data Engineering course, and then after 2 to 5 years of experience, they are going to work it over here. Got it? So definitely these kind of people also going to put experience 2 to 5 years of experience. So here you can see what we are going to do. These three kind of people having some gap after the completion of the after the completion of the experience, after the completion of their education. But there is a fourth category. So what exactly this fourth category? The fourth category is about recently passed out freshers. They also going to learn Azure Data Engineering course, and they are going to be like a trained freshers over here. They are going to be like a trained freshers over here. They are a trained fresher jobs on data engineering. So these four category people, I think, in this demo session, all of you belongs to any of one category. Can you guys please ping me? You are belongs to which category? I just want to understand what kind of people are learning, what kind of people joining more the sessions. If you are belongs to category one, just say number one, two, three, four. Can you please ping me in the GoToMeeting chat? You belongs to which category out of these four categories? Quickly, can you please ping me? Yeah. So few people belongs to category one. Sheikh Muhammad belongs to one, Sagar one, Raj four, Sridhar three, and Raj three, Ashok one. What about other people? You belongs to which category? Is there any other different category apart from this one which I covered here? Yeah, of course. Sometimes some people has already worked, but they have some gap now. So they work for IT or non-IT, but they were taking some gap now. They were not working. So those kind of people also there. Okay. Rahim belongs to two, Manikanta three, Ashok one. What about other people? Maunika, Giri, and Harish. You guys belongs to which category? Chaitanya belongs to third category. Okay. So there is a mixed of people are there. Some people belongs to category one, two, three, four. Different category people are there. Okay. Anyhow, I have designed this Azure Data Engineering course because of my 8 years of experience. I have seen many people like I have trained across the globe on the 18 countries. I have trained on 18 countries plus of the students so far, and I did a lot of placements as well for many students as well. So with my experience, why most of the people were not able to get the job? What is the reason? There are two things. There is no clear roadmap for learning of the Azure Data Engineering course. That is one thing. And the second thing is about like a the problem is like sometimes the student is not focused. Why the student is not getting putting a focus on the course is because of that. Again, the problem is the learning path is not good actually. Okay, so with all these my experiences, I have designed this Azure Data Engineering course by dividing into two different courses, two different programs. Do we really require two different programs to learn this Azure Data Engineering? Yes. Not only Azure Data Engineering course, any course. When you want to enter into software industry, definitely you should complete two programs. I will tell you why you need to take these two programs, how these two programs are going to different, how it is going to be help us. Okay, if you see the normal Azure Data Engineering or any training which are conducted by every training institute, you are able to get that from Udemy or YouTube or many other sources as well. Correct? So the program one Azure Data Engineering, which is offered completely technically, they are going to introduce and making practical on the technology. They have some specific course content, which is going to be like a 50 to 60 hours total duration of this Azure Data Engineering, the program one. So the program one is a Azure Data Engineering course. We are going to offer 50 to 60 hours total duration, and it's going to be daily 1 hour session we are going to conduct. It's going to be Monday to Friday, and we are offering the live sessions as well. We are offering the live sessions every day. Once the class completed, automatically we are sharing of the recording video. Every class recording video also will be shared to you, to your LMS portal, and daily class notes. And after the class also, if you have any doubts clarification, through chat you can able to reach out us. And also we are going to conduct some weekly tests as well. Some sample resumes also we are going to provide for 2 to 5 years of experience. And also we are going to give a certification guidance for DP 203, which you need to complete after this course. It is a Microsoft Global Certification exam. So course completion certificate also we are going to offer from my end as well. And we are giving interview question and answer one end-to-end project as well. So as a part of the program one, Azure Data Engineering training, we are going to offer all these things over here. As a part of the Azure Data Engineering course, we are going to offer all these things. Azure Data Engineering. So what is the pricing of this program on Azure Data Engineering is? The actual cost of this program is 20,000 rupees over here. The actual cost of this is 20,000 rupees. And in the offer, we are going to maintain 14,999 over here. In the offer, 14,999 only. So this program one Azure Data Engineering course, the cost we are going to offer with very very less price, it's nearly 14,999, 50 to 60 hours duration, complete technical things we are going to deliver inside this one, along with the practicals, along with the practicals over here. So Azure Data Engineering course, what is the content, course content or the services we are going to offer inside this course as well? Within this 50 to 60 hours of duration, we are going to cover cloud introduction, Azure fundamentals, and Azure Data Engineering license creation. Okay, cloud introduction, Azure fundamentals, Azure Data Engineering license creation over here. So how to create a Azure Data Engineering license to practice? What are the basic fundamentals of the Microsoft Azure Cloud, cloud introduction? These topics we are going to cover. Then after we are going to discussing about different kind of storages services available inside the Microsoft Azure portal. Then after, what are the ETL services? The ETL services are like a Azure Data Factory, ADF, Azure Databricks like a basic SQL, Python, and PySpark basics to advanced I'm going to cover inside, and live streaming analytics as well. Apart from this, as a data engineer, you are going to work mostly on these services. Apart from this, I'm going to teach you Azure Logic Apps and Azure Key Vaults, Azure Event Hubs, Azure Administration, Azure DevOps related concepts, Azure DevOps Git repository, and some Power BI as well. Why we are going to cover Azure Administration DevOps? I'm not going to cover full DevOps, full administration. As a data engineer, how much knowledge you need administration and DevOps concepts, those things I'm going to cover as a part of this Azure Data Engineering course as well. Okay, okay, so before jumping into this technical things like what are all the things we are going to cover, first we need to understand inside this Microsoft Azure cloud, so what are all the different kind of clouds available in the market. So as per my knowledge, most of the clients, there are like a three cloud vendors currently in the market are very popular offering software services. What are all those three vendors? One is about the Microsoft Azure. Another one is about the AWS, and one more is the GCP. Okay. So here in this Microsoft Azure, AWS, and GCP, all those three things, three different clouds available. Okay. First, you need to decide which cloud you want to learn. After you are deciding which cloud you want to learn, then inside this cloud environment, what course I need to learn, because there are four different kind of courses offering currently in every cloud over here. One is about the developer course, data engineer course, admin course, and DevOps course over here. Okay, so it's going to be Microsoft Azure developer. Let me first write down what are all the different courses they are offering. So the first course is the developer course. The second course is about the data engineer course. And the next course is about the admin course. And the next one is about the DevOps course. Okay. So this is how we have different kind of courses available over here. Same kind of courses you have in the AWS developer, AWS data engineer, AWS admin, AWS DevOps as well. Okay. Similarly, you have GCP developer, GCP data engineer, GCP admin, and GCP DevOps. So, which course you want to learn it over here? Yeah, obviously, I decided to go with the Microsoft Azure cloud environment. The moment when you want to go with Microsoft Azure cloud environment, then inside this Microsoft Azure cloud environment, which course you want to learn? Developer course, data engineer course, admin course, DevOps course. Okay, let's come to the developer course. Developer course, what purpose we are going to learn? After you are learning the developer course, what you are going to do? Let's take one real time use case scenario to implement a project to the client. Let's, for example, I have a supermarkets. This is one supermarket, this is another supermarket. In every supermarket, if you observe, there are some billing counters available. there are some billing counters available. So this is one billing counter, this is another 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 billing counter over here. So this is how we have different kind of billing counters available. So whatever the billing counters available, each billing counter a customer will purchase the product and doing a transaction. The moment when the transactions are doing, then automatically the transactions data in the back end it is going to be saved somewhere. Okay, in the back end the transactions data is going to be saved in the back end database servers. If you go to any business, this kind of business implementation will be there. If you go to any business, if you go to any business, there is a business application, there is a business application, and in the back end there is a database server. It is going to store all your business data. Every day the transactions data will be saved in the backend database over here. If you go to supermarket, if you go to medical shop, if you are going to book a bus ticket, through the application we are booking the tickets. Okay, so this is one supermarket, it is operated in USA. Supermarket USA. This is another supermarket, this is another supermarket India. This is another supermarket, this is also India. Okay, so this is how we are offering the different kind of supermarkets. Now, as a business owner, whoever is who is the management of this supermarket, they want to understand about their business, like what are the top 10 products with highest sales. Next, last 12 months sales performance. Last 12 months sales performance. And then after current year versus previous year sales amount. Top 10 products with highest sales, last 12 months sales performance, current year versus previous year sales. So these are all the reports we are going to discuss. We have to design some reports and dashboards by using a Power BI. So a Power BI developer, whoever is going to be a data analyst or a report designer, he is going to designing of these reports by taking the data, but the business data is not located in one particular place. Then what you need to do? So a Microsoft developer job, Microsoft Azure developer or AWS developer or GCP developer, what he will do, this guy is going to designing of this billing software, whatever the billing softwares we have right here. So those billing softwares will be developed by this. Who will develop? Azure developer or AWS developer. The person whoever is going to learn developer course, he will develop these billing applications. Mostly the people who belongs to Java, .NET, these kind of background people. Now the second job is data engineer. What a data engineer will do? Data engineer is going to bringing of the data which is available in your business servers. He is going to perform a ETL process from every server. He is going to bring that data into Microsoft Azure cloud. There are different kind of storages available. What are the storages available? We have a storage account with the Blob, storage account with the data lake, data lake gen 2, or you can store into a data warehousing, or you can store into a Azure SQL database. These are the different kind of storages available inside the Microsoft Azure portal. So data engineer role is he has to do the ETL process. What do you mean by ETL? Extraction, transformation, and loading. So by doing this ETL process, extraction, transformation, and loading, he has to save the entire data from different servers into one centralized location. So when we have four different kinds of storages, which one we want to use according to your data? Let's, for example, if your data is in a file systems, then we are going to use these two storages. If your data you want to store like a database tables, you can use these two storage systems. Whatever it is, finally our data will be stored into one particular storage. Then after, as a Power BI developer, you are going to take that data, you are going to take that data which you have stored inside the storage systems, then you can able to design the reports and dashboards by using Power BI. So a data engineer role is going to be played over here. A data engineer, what he will do, he is going to designing of some ETL, extracting the data from this business server, this business server, this business server, this business server, and applying some transformation techniques to clean the data, transform the data, and finally we are going to load that data into over here. Okay, so data engineer role is he has to design some ETL pipelines over here. Okay, say data engineer, what he will do, he is going to developing some ETL data pipelines to processing the data. So a developer developing a data engineer is going to developing some ETL pipelines, extracting and transforming and cleaning of the data located in different servers, load into one centralized location. I hope you understand. So whatever the ETL software is available, I told you right in the top what course content we are going to cover inside this Microsoft Azure portal. There are some ETL softwares available. There are some storage softwares available. By using these services, if you see inside this Microsoft Azure portal, there are so many software services are available. All services you can see. There are 200 plus services available, but are we going to learn 200 plus? No. As a data engineer, whatever we need, so these are the software services we need. As a data engineer, we are going to learn it over here for how to store the data, how to ETL the data over here, how to store, how to ETL the data over here. And these are all the admin and DevOps. What the admin job and the DevOps job will do? Admin is completely focusing on security, access, and many things he will taking care. DevOps engineer is going to be, he is going to, whatever the projects developed by data engineer developer, he is going to taking care of the deployment, maintenance of the project. The very most demand in the market currently is the data engineer. You can check anyone, even in the Naukri also, the most demanding job in the market is the Microsoft Azure data engineer. Very, very high demand. With with 3 to 4 years of experience people, the companies are offering up to 20 lakhs also. And an average salary 12 to 15 they are going to offer for 3 to 4 years of experience guy. Even 7 plus years of experience people also, they are offering 30 lakhs up to. Very high demand in the market for this one. Okay, so I told you very clearly about this program one, what we are going to cover inside this training, what are all the course content we are offering. Then what is this program two? What is the specialty of the program two? Why we need this program two? Why we need a program two is, you are going to be applying for the jobs like a experienced person after completion of this course. What is the reason? The reason I told you, if you are already working in IT, you need to split your experience into recent, from last 2 to 3 years or 4 years you are working as a data engineer. If you are working for a non-IT, your experience you need to use for a data engineer. If you have some career gap, you need to put some experience as a data engineer. If you're a fresher, no worries. I'm going to focus this program completely for the people who are going to be applying for the jobs like a 2 to 5 years of experience. What we are doing, parallelly we are going to conduct the program too. When we are going to start this program too, after 2 weeks of your program one starts, then this second program, placement assistance program, will be start. So how much duration we are going to take this one? This program will be taken care by the 30 hours of the duration. We are going to conduct this program on the Saturday and Sunday. Saturday 2 hours and Sunday 2 hours we are going to put this program. So what exactly we are going to cover inside this program? We are going to follow some agile methodology. We have created some sprints over here. In each sprint we have some tasks, total 175 more scenario based tasks we created for practical, which we covered in the training. Apart from that, we have created few more real time scenario based tasks. So we are going to provide access to those scenario based tasks. You have to work on that each task. And on the Saturday, in the first 1 hour, we are going to discuss how many tasks you have completed, what are all the tasks you are not able to perform, and in real time how this task looks and how you need to perform. That we are going to discuss on the Saturday. The second 1 hour we are going to discussing about the a project end to end. We are going to hands on 30 days we need to work on the project. And on the Sunday, we are going to discussing about the interview preparation. See, most of the people still they don't know how to tell the introduction as an experienced data engineer. And most of the students they don't know how to explain about their project in the real time. And also what kind of real time questions they might ask. Because see, you are going to learn the data engineering like you will answer technically, but in real times, few things you may not answer the questions. Because of that reason you are not able to get the job as well. So to overcome this issue, we are completely focusing on the Sunday 1 hour in real time what kind of questions they might ask. See, even if you are answering 99 questions, there is one real time interview question when they're asking. If you're not able to answer, then they will understand you don't have any work experience. So to overcome that, we are going to discussing about the interview preparation question and answers as well. And next 1 hour, we are going to take the mock interviews as well. Because if you are directly attending the interviews without having any experience, you may lose a 5 to 10 interviews. The good companies you may lose. So to overcome that issue, also we are going to conduct the mock interviews as well. So for every student, we are going to prepare a resume separately, and 3 to 4 projects we are going to give to put in your resume. But we are going to make hands-on one project only, the recent project only. Okay. And also I have written 3 books as well. I have written recently one book like a top 20 MNC companies. I have written one book, and also I have written Azure Data Engineering step-by-step guidebooks as well. So this is all my commitment what I am going to be discussed in this training, and my expertise and everything. So this program 2, the pricing cost enrollment is different, program 1 is different. So 2 separate programs we are conducting. So if you are interested only program 1, you can go. If you want to go program 2 directly, you should not, because without completing the program 1, you may not join the program 2. If you already completed the trainings from other institutions, you can directly join the program 2 as well. Okay. So what are the prerequisites you learn to learn this Azure Data Engineering course? If you have some basic SQL or Python knowledge, that's fair enough. No problem. Even if you don't have, then we are going to cover basics of the some SQL Python part. I'm going to cover. SQL we may not use much, but if you have SQL experience, it's well and good. What is the certification exam you need to write down after completion of this course is DP 203. This exam is provided by the Microsoft directly. And what is the average package they are going to offer? 3 to 5 years of experience is 15 to 20 lakhs of the package they are going to offer for you. Okay, 15 to 20 lakhs we are going to offer. So our regular timings of the session, we are going to start from the Monday. We are going to start our regular sessions. Let's check Monday. What is the date? So our regular sessions we are going to start on Monday over here. Okay. Monday we are going to starting of this Azure Data Engineering course, and the timings we are going to announce. Our team will call to everyone, and you guys can able to use the same meeting link to join in the Monday session. The timings and everything, the pricing and any further details if you want, just reach out this number 7997 457 228. Her name is Ramya. 7997 457 228. Okay, 7997 457 228. So simply you can able to reach out this number for any questions. We are going to conduct 3 more free sessions over here. We are going to conduct 3 more free sessions. Under this, you can join later, you can able to enroll for the course. Okay. Now if you guys have any questions, you can raise your hand and you can able to ask. Yeah, go ahead one by one. Do you guys have any questions? Yeah, go ahead. If anybody not shared your mobile number, please share in the go to meeting. Then you will receive a call from our team to tell about the timings of the session. Data bricks also we are going to learn completely inside this course as a part of the ETL.
Hmm. Sir, what about Azure account, sir? Is that free account or subscription?
Free account for 30 days. Okay. So what we will do, for example, there are 10 people enrolled for the course. First person one will create that can be used parallelly by other people as well. That credentials, login credentials. I will guide you in the first session how to create a Azure free subscription.
Okay, sir. Sir, what about Monday timings and also?
Monday timings and all those things. You just reach out at the number I shared in the chart. You can on the chart here. You can see on the screen.
Yeah, there we will get three free sessions, right?
Yes. So
So
please,
after that we can enroll.
yeah, go ahead. The question.
So there we will get three free sessions, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
No questions from anyone. Go ahead, Monica. You can unmute and you can speak. So if anybody wants to speak with me personally as well about your profile, on the screen there is a number, right? You just reach out that number. You just ask, I want to speak with Ramsan, then they will arrange a call with me. Okay. If you guys don't have any questions, Monica, we are not able to hear you actually. You can send your question in the chat also, I will answer. Or else you guys can able to call to that number to speak with me personally. Okay. Any more questions, guys? Okay, no questions. Let's meet on the Monday session. Okay. So we are having two more free sessions along with this one, and you can join the free sessions with the same meeting link. The timing, just reach out that number, or else you can share your number in the GoToMeeting chat. Our team will call right away. Go ahead, Monica. Your question. We are not able to hear you. I think we have some mic issue.